Tired of being stuck in a million Discord servers you don't even use anymore? Let's get you freed up in just a few clicks. Alright, first things first, open up your Discord application. Now, look down at the very bottom left of your screen. You should see your profile picture and your Discord username. Click on your profile picture. This will open up a menu. Find and click on User Settings. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. It looks like a gear icon. Once you're in User Settings, scroll down on the left-hand side until you find the Advanced tab. Click on it. Now, you'll see an option called Developer Mode. Toggle this setting to on. This is crucial for getting the server IDs. Great, with Developer Mode enabled, go back to your main Discord screen where you see all your server icons. Right-click on any server icon you want to leave. A menu will pop up. In that menu, find and click Copy ID. This copies the unique ID number for that specific server to your clipboard. Open up a simple text editor like Notepad, TextEdit, or similar and paste the ID there. This is where you'll keep track of the server IDs you want to leave. Repeat the copy ID process for every single server you want to leave. Make sure to paste each new ID into your text editor. Keeping them separate, you can put them on separate lines for easy viewing. Okay, now open up your web browser Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you prefer. Search for Discord bulk leave script or Discord auto leave server. Make sure you look at a few different results and read the descriptions carefully. There are several scripts available online, but always be cautious about what you download and run. Choose a script from a reputable website, preferably one with good reviews and a clear explanation of how it works. Follow the instructions on the website for downloading and running the script. This usually involves copying the script code, opening your browser's developer console usually by pressing F12, and pasting the code into the console. The script will likely ask you for the server IDs you copied earlier. This is where you'll paste in the IDs from your text editor, following the specific format that the script requires. It might be a comma-separated list, or each ID on a new line, etc. Read the script instructions carefully to ensure you're entering the IDs correctly. Double-check everything. Once you're absolutely sure you followed the instructions and entered the server IDs correctly, run the script. The script will then automatically leave all the servers you specified. Watch your Discord as the script works its magic. You should see those servers disappearing one by one. Just a friendly reminder that using third-party scripts carries some risk, so proceed with caution and only use scripts from trusted sources. And there you have it, a cleaner, less cluttered Discord experience. Now you can focus on the communities that truly matter to you. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.